Oh shit. Alright, so I had just done up the tire pressures, so I'm about to hit NSBL, and yeah, I mean, I got found out it's like only 10 psi maybe or so in the front, and then it was like, I don't know, 30 in the back. So I've got them at 32 front, no, 36 front, and then 42 rear. So hopefully this will do good for traction. I can already tell a difference in just the way the whole thing rides, in general, cornering and yada yada yada. Anyway, it looked like I got a gash in the tire or a plug or some shit, I don't know. So yeah, here we go, NSBO. So I'm excited, I'm really excited. The tire pressure has made like such a big difference. And then I wanna peep my chicken strips, because on my R6, I'm sure if I got them in the video anywhere, my chicken strips were thick. But these right here, we gonna get rid of them. You know what I mean? We gonna get rid of them. I ain't gonna say I'm a drag knee now, but you know, definitely just working at it. So anyway, and then I got my cooling fan working finally. Not really permanently good finally, but you know, zip ties where I can. So anyway, NSBO, it's just right around the corner. So make sure I got everything. And yeah, still recording. This thing just feels quicker too. It's crazy what tire pressure can do. It's insane. Now, I haven't ridden in like a week, so I'm a little rusty. I love this bike. You know, she doesn't look good, but she works. She puts out. And then anybody new to the channel, pretty much wearing a full Dainese suit. Not leather up top, I got vinyl. Yeah, I guess that's the one thing I don't have is a leather jacket, but Dainese boots and the Delta 3 pants, I think, the track pants. I think they're called the Delta 3s. I don't remember, but yeah. It's so responsive. So responsive. Recommend 35. Fuck that. road is ass. Now this is a real tight switchback right here, but yeah, I ain't doing all that because train tracks, and then right over it's hella shitty road. If you do that, you better than me, for sure. This right here is a real tight turn too. Real tight. Now, buddy. That pretty much sums up NSBL. It's not as good as OBL, but it is what it is. Beggars can't be choosers. What the fuck? Hold the fuck up. My exhaust fell off. I thought this thing sounded weird. Nigga, you. Sending me dreams, sending me things you knew. Nigga, you. Where the fuck is it? There it is. What the fuck? Dude, hold the fuck up. How much for your soul and how much for your soul and oh man, what is my luck, bro? What the fuck? And I bet it's hot. Yeah, it's kind of hot. What the fuck? Here's my exhaust. Jesus Christ. Oh, my muffler. Oh, this thing's gay. It's gay for that. What the actual F? Wow. Oh man. What the fuck, dude? I really just can't win. I ain't got no tools. Cause your boy would have never anticipated that happening. That's fucked up. That's mad fucked. And it looks like shit now too. I'm gonna fucking change it out. God damn it. Finger's dirty. Gear's gonna get dirty. This piece of shit. Maybe I leaned too hard. Maybe that's what it is. I wonder. Yeah, I wonder if I took that corner, if I leaned too hard and it just came off because it's sitting so low. But then again, I mean, I would think that the exhaust would be hit at the bottom too. Like the headers, the pipes. Alright, anyway. I'm gonna hop back on this shit, but that's so stupid. It's gonna sound different now. Dude, that thing sounded way different. I had to pull, I was like, nah, something's wrong. Hey, there we go. She is back. What the fuck? That's some dumb shit. Oh yeah, that's it right there. I think I went too low. God damn it. Everything's just messed up.